Hey guys, it's Cam here, and in today's video, we're going to be going over how to set up Shopify payments for your online store. Now, before we get started, let's quickly discuss the benefits of using Shopify payments. First and foremost, it's the default payment gateway on Shopify, which means it's seamlessly integrated with the platform. It also provides competitive transaction rates, supports a wide range of currencies and payment methods, and it also offers reliable fraud prevention tools. Now, you have to meet certain requirements to start using Shopify payments. Now, to be able to use Shopify payments, you're gonna have to be in a supported country. If you're not sure if your country is supported, I'll include a link in the description below. You'll also wanna make sure that your business is not prohibited by Shopify payment. Shopify provides a list of these types of businesses on their website that you can check. So now that we've covered the requirements for setting up Shopify payments, let's get right into the step-by-step guide on how to set this up. Okay, so first you wanna log into your Shopify account. Now, once you're on this screen, next you're gonna wanna click on settings, and you're gonna wanna go over to payments. Now, once you're on this screen, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is scroll down and see the multiple payment options that you have. You have Shopify payments, you have additional payment methods. This includes PayPal, Amazon, and other payment methods that you might wanna use. And then you're gonna wanna have your manual payment methods. These payment methods, you're pretty much never gonna use, so I don't recommend worrying about manual payment methods. The only two payment methods that you really wanna check on are Shopify payments, so that you can take all the major credit cards, and then PayPal, which I highly recommend to have. Now, setting up PayPal is pretty simple. You just click on complete account setup, then you're gonna click on complete setup, and that'll take you to PayPal where you can just sign in and go ahead and register your account. Now let's go back to payments for Shopify. Next, we're gonna wanna go ahead and set up our Shopify payments. Click on complete account setup. Screen is gonna ask you for some information on your business. Now, depending on your country, you're gonna wanna make sure you have tax licenses and your LLC if you're in the US or Canada, and any other requirements that you might need for your country. Click on submit details. And then on this screen, you're gonna go ahead and enter all the business info that you have so that you can set up Shopify payments. Now, once you filled out the information up top, you're gonna wanna scroll down to product detail. Here, you'll select the type of product you're selling. Now, this could be a digital product or a physical product. Now, since we're selling physical products, I'm gonna click on retail, and then I'll choose a business subcategory so that I can further identify the niche that I'll be selling to Shopify. Now, some of us might be selling products that are in several categories, so if you're doing that, you can go ahead and click on other merchandise, and then just give a brief description of the products that you're selling. So the last thing we wanna do is we wanna go down to customer billing statement and enter a description under statement descriptor. This should tell the customer what brand or business your name is. That way, when they go and check their credit card statements or their bank account, they don't do any chargebacks or disputes because they don't know where the charge came from. Once that's all done, just click on complete account setup. As you can see, I still have two more things to do before I can start using Shopify payments. First, you gotta turn on two-step verification. So I'm gonna click on this, and then it'll take me to a screen where I can enable two-step verification. You wanna enter your phone number and then click on send authentication code. This will send a code to your phone that you'll enter down here. Now, once you've entered that, go ahead and click on turn on. Then make sure you download your codes, because anytime you have trouble signing it back into Shopify, it might ask you for a security code. Once you've downloaded the code, go ahead and click on continue, and it'll take you back to the complete account setup screen. Here, you're gonna wanna enter your bank account information. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on add bank account. And then on this screen, you have two ways of connecting your bank account. You can do it manually by entering the routing information and the account information, or you can do it automatically. This will be a lot shorter. So I recommend going to click on connect a bank account via Plaid and then complete setup. Once this screen pops up, you wanna just click on continue and then find the bank account that you wanna use for Shopify payment. If your bank account isn't here, you can search it. And if it's not found on the list, you're gonna have to do it manually. Once you enter your info and you hit complete, it'll take you back to the complete account setup screen where you'll see that everything is completely done and we're ready to use Shopify payments. And there you have it, guys. That's the end of the video for today. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That way when I come out with new content, you guys will be notified. Thanks, and I'll see you guys on the next one.